Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're swapping nose pads on a high-end frame using the same techniques from my previous videos to keep it in perfect shape. If you haven't seen those videos yet, pause here and check the link in the description. First, grab your cotton cloth to protect the lenses. For this, we use a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to use just enough pressure to loosen the screws, then use your locking tweezers to remove them. Make sure to keep the screws safe so they don't roll away. Discard the old pads and clean any residue from the wiring. Use nose pad pliers to adjust the angle if needed. Here's an expert tip. If there's gunk inside the nose pad docks, use a Phillips screwdriver wrapped in cotton cloth to clean those tricky spots and avoid rusting. Wipe any residue from the screws and install the new nose pads with your locking tweezers. Make sure you're applying just enough pressure to avoid slipping. Repeat on the opposite side. Make any final adjustments needed to get the correct angle and symmetry between your nose pads. Remember to clean your work area. Lastly, wipe the frame of any fingerprints left behind from the repair process. And with that, our repair is complete. If you found this video helpful or know someone who would, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and insight. We appreciate your support. Stay useful.